Okay, now let's see how can we draw the graph of function y is equal to modulus of f of x from the given graph of y is equal to fx. Consider function y is equal to fx having this graph. Okay, this is graph of function y is equal to fx. This part of the graph lies below x-axis where fx is negative, and these parts of graph lie above x-axis where fx is greater than 0. Okay, now we have definition of modulus function. Modulus of fx is equal to fx when fx is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and this is minus fx when fx is less than 0. Okay, less than or equal to 0. ये होता है definition modulus का. We can write like this if fx is non-negative, and like this when fx is negative. Okay, that means graphs of y is equal to fx and y is equal to modulus of fx coincide for fx greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so we keep these two parts, okay, where fx is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, these two parts will be parts of graph of y is equal to modulus of fx also. Okay, now here fx is negative, and when fx is negative, modulus of fx is minus fx. Okay, and to draw the graph of y is equal to minus fx, we flip the graph vertically, or we reflect the graph in x-axis. Okay, so this part of y is equal to fx goes up. Okay, हम इसको रिफ्लेक्ट करें x-axis में तो ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. Okay, so this is graph of function y is equal to modulus of fx. ठीक है, तो समझ में आ गया मेथड. व्हाट इज algorithm? We keep the graph of y is equal to fx for fx greater than or equal to 0, and we reflect the graph of y is equal to fx in x-axis for fx less than 0. जहाँ पे fx नॉन नेगेटिव है वहाँ पे हम ग्राफ को रिटेन करेंगे, y is equal to fx के ग्राफ को रिटेन करेंगे, और जहाँ पे fx नेगेटिव हो रहा है उस पार्ट को हम x एक्सिस में रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे या फिर हम उसको वर्टिकली फ्लिप करेंगे. ठीक है. Okay, now let's show the graph of function y is equal to modulus of log x. First we consider function y is equal to log x. Here we have a graph of function. This is graph of y is equal to log x. Okay, and for the graph of modulus of log x, we reflect this part of the graph in x-axis. Okay, so we get this part, reflected part. Okay, so this is graph of y is equal to modulus of log x. ठीक है. Graph has a sharp turn at x is equal to 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1 is point of non-differentiability. Function decreases in the interval 0 to 1. इस interval में function decrease हो रहा है. Okay, और इस interval में function increase हो रहा है. Function increases in open interval 1 to infinity. Okay, this part of the graph represents y is equal to log x, and this part of the graph represents y is equal to minus log x. Okay, because when log x is negative, modulus of log x will be minus log x. So this part of the graph represents y is equal to minus log x. Then what will be graph of this function? Y is equal to modulus of log of minus x. इसका graph क्या होगा? We have graph of y is equal to modulus of log x. Okay, this is function fx, then this will be function f of minus x. Okay, and to draw the graph of y is equal to f of minus x, we reflect the graph of y is equal to fx in y-axis. Okay, so this is graph of this function modulus of log of minus x. In this interval minus infinity to minus 1, function decreases. Okay, and in this interval minus 1 to 0, function increases. X is equal to minus 1 is point of non-differentiability. Then this part of the graph represents function y is equal to minus log of minus x. Okay, and this part of the graph represents function y is equal to log of minus x. Okay, let's take some more examples. Okay, now let's draw the graph of function y is equal to modulus of tan inverse x. First we consider function y is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, here we have a graph of function, Graph lies between horizontal lines y is equal to minus pi by 2 and y is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so range of function is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, and domain of function is set of all real numbers. Function का domain होगा set of all real numbers. Okay, then how can we get graph of modulus of tan inverse x? कैसे लाएंगे इस function का graph? It's simple. We keep this part intact. इस part को हम वैसे ही रखेंगे because it lies above x-axis where fx is greater than 0. Okay, and we reflect this part in x-axis. इस part को हम x-axis में reflect करेंगे. Okay, so it goes up like this. So this is graph of y is equal to modulus of tan inverse x. Let's read the graph. This part of the graph represents function y is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, for x greater than 0, tan inverse x is positive, so modulus of tan inverse x is tan inverse x. Okay, and this part of the graph represents function y is equal to minus tan inverse x. ये जो function है ये क्या होगा? This is minus tan inverse x because for x less than 0 tan inverse x is negative, and for tan inverse x less than 0 modulus of tan inverse x will be minus tan inverse x. Okay, graph है sharp turn at x is equal to 0. 0 पे graph को sharp turn है, so x is equal to 0 is point of non-differentiability. Okay, now in this part function decreases. In the interval minus infinity to 0 function decreases, and in the interval 0 to infinity function increases. Okay, 0 is point of minima. फंक्शन का वैल्यू x इज इक्वल टू 0 पे 0 हो रहा है तो ये पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमा कहलाएगा. ओके, then we have question like this, find number of solutions to this equation modulus of tan inverse x is equal to x square. It's simple. We draw the graph of y is equal to x square on the same plot. Okay, now these two graphs intersect at 2 points. Graphs of y is equal to modulus of tan inverse x and y is equal to x square intersect at 2 points. So this equation has two solutions, two distinct solutions. इस equation को दो distinct solutions होंगे. ठीक है, let's take some more examples. Okay, now let's see the graph of this function. This is going to be very interesting. We have here modulus of x minus 2. We apply modulus on it, then subtract 3 and then apply modulus again. कहाँ से शुरुआत करें? How can we start? It's simple. We start with y is equal to modulus of x. Okay, here we have graph of y is equal to modulus of x. From this graph we get the graph of modulus of x minus 2. क्या करेंगे? We shift this graph 2 units downward. Okay, then we apply modulus on this. How can we get graph of this? We reflect this negative part in x-axis. We reflect the negative part of the graph in x-axis. We get the graph of modulus of x minus 2. Here we have graph of the function. Okay, shape of the graph is letter W. Function is non-differentiable at x is equal to plus minus 2 and x is equal to 0. Function has 3 points of non-differentiability. Okay, then we get graph of y is equal to this minus 3. Okay, for that we shift this graph 3 units downward. Okay, so this is graph of modulus of x minus 2 minus 3. Graph intersects x-axis at x is equal to plus minus 5. We can get points of intersection by comparing this to 0. We get modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, and from this we get modulus of x is equal to 5. Okay, so x is equal to plus minus 5. Graph intersects x-axis at plus minus 5. Okay, this tip of the graph is at minus 1. Okay, and lower level of the graph is y is equal to minus 3. Then we apply modulus on this. इसके पर modulus apply करते हैं. कैसे लाएंगे इसका graph? How can we get graph of this function? We reflect negative part of this graph in x-axis. Okay, so we get graph of this function. ये function का graph आ गया. Okay, and clearly this function is non-differentiable at x is equal to plus minus 5 plus minus 2 and x is equal to 0. Function has 5 points of non-differentiability. ठीक है, तो एक काफ़ी अच्छा function है. काफ़ी सारे हमें graphical transformations use करने पड़ रहे हैं. Okay, we may find this question in continuity and differentiability where we have to find number of points of non-differentiability and it is 5. Okay, function को 5 points of non-differentiability है. ठीक है, let's take some more examples.